He karanga ki ngā manuhiri no te whenua moimoia, ko tai mai ki runga o te marae o Rāpaki.
Ngāti Whiki are hosting the DJAARA people from Victoria, Australia, and it's a day for us to share between us lessons learned and how we can help each other and form that relationship in regards to climate change and water.
Ko whakakōpani mai nei ngā manuhiri no te kāhui DJAARA, no te whenua moimoia me ngā rūnaka o te pātaka o Rākai Hautu ki te whakawhiti mātauranga mo te āhuarangi hurihuri, te whakarauora i te wai Māori me te tiaki i te taiao. E ai kia Rebecca Phillips, I ahu mai tēnei hui tēnei wānanga mai te hui Adaptation Futures I tū ki konei I te rātou.
We're finding that we're really on a similar journey, and the working together of many in the community and council, government coming together for the same purpose to improve the health of our country.
And that's one of the things I say about all plans, strategic plans and all types of plans. They should be alive, so it does not belong in a drawer. It belongs out.
To share what we will take back with us. Probably that Māori fire we just heard from one of the aunties presenting to us about, locking in that we are the change makers. We are going to change things and lead by example with good partnerships, good relationships, and embedding the way we are walking with our old ways and new things that we're learning.
He oi anō mā Carl Crofts no Koukourarata e hara tēnei I te wānanga ki te whakawhiti mātauranga no iho.
They're in a stage of settlement with their government, and there's a lot of lessons learnt for us to be able to pass on to them, and for them to also share with us as their fire, their cultural fires, which we've never actually seen before.
Cultural burning is different to other styles of burning. We're not just doing it for ecological or tangible reasons. There's also the intangible. There's the spirit meaning behind it. There's the kind of healing people.
We're preparing for El Niño, which we believe is going to actually bring drought and fire risks. So that's something we have to focus on, and they're the right people to share their lessons learned on that.
Ko te manako, ka whakahoki rātou I ngā mātauranga kōrero. Ia rātou mai I ēnei rangi e rima, a ka timata ngā mahi kōkiri ki te kāinga. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.